Hey there, and welcome to our tutorial on form limitations. Let's explore it together. Start by heading to the Forms feature and enter a specific form. Next, access the settings and enter the Form Limitations tab. There are different limitation options available, including total entry limits, user-specific limits, and time-based restrictions, each designed to help manage form submissions efficiently. Limiting the total number of entries is useful when you have a limited number of spots. Once the limit is reached, users won't be able to submit entries. Simply set the desired number of maximum entries. Resetting the total entry limit is perfect for recurring events. The form will automatically reset and accept new entries at the beginning of each week. Simply select the reset interval, the specific reset time, and the date that this recurrence will begin. To limit the number of entries per user, enable the option Entries per user are limited to, and enter the number of times each user is allowed to submit the form. Just like before, you have the option to reset the entry limit, which is useful for ticketed events where each user can only claim a set number of tickets at a time. Setting time-based limitations allows you to control when users can submit forms. This is useful for applications with deadlines or forms that should only be available on certain days. Simply select the allowed submission days, enable the option Last date to submit entries is, and choose the final deadline. That's it for today. Thank you for joining us. For further assistance, feel free to use our Help Center anytime.